So, why is the sky blue? It's one of those classic questions, and today we're going to break it down. It's a question every kid asks, right? And the real answer is actually pretty amazing.
Okay, so here's the one-sentence answer. Sunlight has all the colors, and our air just spreads the blue ones around.
All right, let's dig into that. First up, what exactly is sunlight?
Sunlight might look white or yellow to us, but it's really a mix of all the colors of the rainbow.
You've definitely seen this before, right? In a rainbow, a prism, or even a soap bubble.
Okay, so that's the light. Now for part two. What happens when it hits the air?
Sunlight has to travel through our atmosphere, which is just this huge layer of tiny gas particles.
As sunlight hits these little particles, it starts to scatter, kind of bouncing in all directions. But here's the thing, not all those colors scatter equally, not even close. Blue light just happens to scatter way, way more than all the other colors.
And all that scattered blue light spreads out, filling the entire sky from every direction.
I know, that's a little abstract. So let's try a little analogy to make it stick.
Okay, picture sunlight as a big box of colorful, bouncy balls. And the air? That's a room just filled with tons of tiny little pins. Now the blue balls are just extra bouncy, so they hit those pins and go flying everywhere.
And pretty soon, what do you know? The whole room just looks blue.
But if you're really thinking about this, you might have a follow-up question.
Well, violet light actually scatters even more, but our eyes are just way more sensitive to blue. Plus, a lot of that violet light gets absorbed way up high. So it's a team effort between physics and biology.
Okay, so what about when the sky isn't blue? This science explains that too.
At sunset, light travels through way more air, so most of the blue light gets scattered away from us.
So what's left to reach our eyes? All those beautiful reds, oranges, and pinks.
See, the sky's color isn't magic. It's a pattern, a predictable one that we can actually understand. The sky is just one pattern out there. So the real question is, what will you try to understand next?